In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the night mode color in the SkyView app. This quick tweak can make a big difference when you're stargazing in low light conditions, helping you stay comfortable and preserve your night vision while still seeing the interface clearly. Start by opening the SkyView app on your device. Give it a moment to load the main view of the sky. From here, you'll access the app's settings through the main menu. Look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon. It typically looks like three horizontal lines and is sometimes called the hamburger menu. This opens a panel with various options that control how the app looks and behaves. Next, tap on Settings. You'll recognize it by the small wrench icon, which signals where you can fine-tune your experience. Inside Settings, you'll see several categories. Go ahead and tap Display. This is where the visual preferences for SkyView are grouped, including color themes that help your eyes adjust at night. Now scroll down through the display options until you locate Night Mode Color. Tap that option and you'll see the available choices. Select either green or red, depending on your preference. The change takes effect immediately, so you can see how it looks right away without leaving the settings screen. A quick note on what these colors mean in practice. Red is commonly used by astronomers because it helps preserve your natural night vision, making it easier to transition between checking the app and looking back up at the sky. Green can feel a bit brighter and may provide clearer contrast for some people, especially if you're reading labels or star names. There's no right or wrong choice here. Use the one that keeps your eyes comfortable and your view of the sky sharp. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. App layouts can vary a bit between devices and versions, but the menu in the top left, the settings with the wrench icon, and the display section should be in roughly the same places. Remember, you can switch between green and red anytime by returning to the same night mode color setting and choosing the option that suits your current conditions. And that's all there is to it. Open SkyView, tap the menu, go to Settings, choose Display, and then pick your night mode color. With that set, you're ready to enjoy the night sky more comfortably and with less strain on your eyes. Happy stargazing!